Looks nice.
Yeah.
Were you guys ready to spin?
Wait, what was that?
I think I heard two people.
Oh.
Are you ready to spin? Here you go.
Well, you're in the right place. You're on an Eyerly Spider. One of the spinniest rides ever. That is great. These things move air. I can feel that.
This is my first time going on an Eyerly Spider.
No way. You've never done an Eyerly Spider? Come on. I can guess why. I'm not going to say why. I'm going to just...
No, it's not because...
It's not?
It's because I've just never had access to it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here we are.
I know.
It's good that you're riding an original at least first, rather than the one at Lakeside.
I mean, I don't blame them.
Yeah, I don't blame them at all. I just wish it had better lights like this one. Like the old one did. The old one was so cool. I loved the old one.
These are LEDs.
They are, yeah.
They still look great. I'm not complaining.
Yeah, I'm not complaining either, honestly. Like, honestly.
Looking at
Nice 2-minute cycle.
it. Seems smooth.
Welcome back, guys.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed your ride on the Spider. As a reminder, make sure you stay fully seated with your cell phones cut away until you're all the way on the ground. At that point, I will open your button for you. Thanks for riding. Enjoy the rest of your night here. Elitch Gardens, Luminova.
Looks nice.